Topaz Labs has released a new upscale panel for Adobe Premiere Pro. It enables upscaling, denoising, slow motion, and frame interpolation without leaving Premiere. The panel allows users to utilize the latest Topaz video models like Astra 2 and the Starlight family, as well as legacy models such as Proteus, Iris, and Nix. It supports image upscaling with Gigapixel, Wonder 3, and Bloom models included. The panel is powered by advanced Topaz AI models for professional restoration, upscaling, denoising, frame interpolation, and slow motion. It is a UXP extension that connects Adobe Premiere to Topaz cloud processing and batch rendering. Enhanced clips are automatically returned to Premiere and added back into the sequence on a new video track.
At NAB Show 2026, Austrian private broadcaster kronehit awarded SLG Broadcast and Lawo the contract for the comprehensive modernization of its entire studio infrastructure. All kronehit studios will be equipped with state-of-the-art Lawo Diamond audio mixing consoles. SLG Broadcast, the broadcaster's longtime technical partner, will oversee system design, configuration, and overall project implementation.
GoPro has announced the availability of the Mission 1 series of compact cinematic cameras, previewed at NAB Show 2026 in April. The series is built around a new 1-inch sensor designed to capture more light and deliver sharper, more detailed images with reduced noise, even in challenging low-light conditions. The cameras support 8K open gate mode, enabling the capture of a taller frame in 4:3 at up to 8K 30p. The GP3 processor, advanced hardware optimization, and a higher capacity Enduro 2 battery with fast charging deliver the longest continuous runtimes and most dependable thermal performance of any GoPro ever. In addition to video, Mission 1 can capture still images at up to 50 megapixel. The new GP3 processor runs advanced denoise algorithms to clean up shots, while the 1-inch sensor provides exceptional detail from the darkest shadows. A new system on a chip delivers double pixel processing power, enabling best-in-class resolutions and frame rates. The series includes 3 models: Mission 1, a compact cinematic camera with a fixed 14mm GoPro lens; Mission 1 Pro, featuring an advanced feature set and the same fixed 14mm lens; and Mission 1 Pro ILS, a specialized version with interchangeable MFT lenses.
The organizers of a major industry event, Cine Gear Expo LA 2026, remind those planning to attend that registration is now open. This year, Cine Gear Expo LA celebrates 30 years of bringing the industry together, inviting both exhibitors and attendees to continue that legacy. The show will take place at the Universal Studios lot, home to some of the most iconic moments in film and television history. From Psycho to Back to the Future, this is where storytelling has shaped generations. It is a place to celebrate the passion and magic of the cinematic community, whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, seasoned veteran, or technology enthusiast. The event is scheduled for June 5th to 6th, with the registration available via QR code displayed on your screen.
Dear friends and colleagues, if you'd like your news to be featured in briefly, please reach out to us in the comments. Let's create news together.